Hi, my name's Bob Crilly, and this is the AquaHone Stylist 2. Everything it does in a salon. It'll sharpen clipper blades, it'll sharpen convex scissors, bevel edge scissors, it'll sharpen knives. Now what I'm going to do is show you how I proceed to sharpen scissors in a salon. First of all, I'm going to test these scissors before I sharpen them. And if you'll notice, it pushed the hair right off the end of the blade. Now if I cut fast, you don't see that. But what I'm going to show you is how to sharpen these so that they don't push at all. Now if you'd like, you can time me, see how long it takes me. Now I'm going to show you the difference. If it pushes a single hair, they're not sharp. And I'm cutting slower than I did to start with, and it falls right to the ground. No pushing, nice straight line. Now, you could say that there's a burr on there. There's a burr on everything. But what I did is I sharpened with this into the blade, and so it pushes the burr into the blade more so than if I were going away from the blade. Now this pair is complete. Now keep timing me if you will. Here's a 7-inch scissor. Whoop. That didn't look good. Now remember, if it pushes a single hair, they're not sharp. See, it fall right to the ground. Now on a long scissor, it has more of a tendency to push than a short scissor. Yet that didn't push a single hair. Now I'm going to sharpen a texturizer for you. Now, like everybody else, I'm sharpening the straight blade. Now, what everybody says not to do, I'm going to sharpen the teeth. And I'm going to sharpen the teeth on the bevel on the outside of the blade. See how smooth that is? Now, if all I did was do the ride line, there's a chance that there would be a nick in the top of the teeth. But on the other hand, if I just do the bevel on the texturizer teeth, and there is something wrong with the bottom of the teeth, I could feel it when I rub. And those are perfect. Now, here's another pair. Now the exception is these needed the tension adjusted.
Okay. Thank you, Nancy.
Let's see the. Now let's see how they cut. Perfect. Now there's no burr on these. They're ready to go. I give a 90-day unconditional guarantee. No matter what, if they drop them, they ding them, they step on them, or they run over them with their car, I'll come back and repair or replace these scissors free for the next 90 days. Yeah. Now what I'm going to show you is how to sharpen clipper blades. First we're going to do the cutter. Now these wheels are tapered on one side and they're flat on the other side. So I'm going to do the cutter on here and I'm going to do the comb on this blade. Okay, now if you'll notice, the teeth are out, and when I push the clamp to the wheel, they go against the wheel. And let it go, and the teeth come off first. There we go, a nice hollow ground pattern for the cutter. Now I'm going to do the comb over here. Again, the teeth are back until I push it against the wheel. There we go, and that's how long it took to do a set of clipper blades. Now I'm going to show you how to do nippers. If you look up and the nippers are separated, all you have to do is take a piece of emery cloth that's doubled, and gently sandpaper the nippers until they come together. Turn the machine on, close the nippers, hold them against the wheel.
Oh, hi, Renee. I'm doing good.
There we go.
Good.
Good as new. I'm going to show you how to convex scissors because everybody's going to say you can't convex on a vertical wheel. I can freehand or I can put it in my jig. If I put it in my jig, I've got to stop here, and the stop will keep it from rolling over the edge. But right now I'm just going to show you how to freehand. And when you freehand, you don't go like this. You smoothly roll to the edge and you pull it off. And you've got a convex edge. If you'd like to find out more about this miraculous machine, go to AquaHone.com. Thank you.